Right, we're in the van now, so unfortunately I haven't got a rear view mirror and I haven't got the bracket for one either, so I've got to make something. So what I've done is I've taken the headliner down to see what was behind. So I now am going to make something that comes down, follows the shape of the roof, down the windscreen, comes down, and then has got a plate that I can attach the mirror to. So what I've done, again, good old cardboard, is I've made, can you see that? A cardboard template of the shape of the roof, the angle, and where I want it to come to. Now I'm going to make that out of a flat piece. So that will be running that way down, and then obviously it'll have to open out with legs each side. So let's go back in the workshop, cut some steel and get some bending done. Alright, there you are. So I've bent him. He's going to come down. I've used Tech screws in the head. I'm going to put bonding tape on the back to stick him to the window. And then obviously I'm going to trim this down and then have a piece going that way that the actual mirror attaches to. That's not too bad, bending by hand really. He's pretty straight down. So I'll get that piece cut and attached and we'll have a look. Oakley dokley, so here we are. So first thing I want to do is I want to make a little shroud for the camera, just because this is going to be sitting outside the van and I know it's going to get knocked, hit or even stolen. So I've had the old cardboard out, making a little template, and what I've come up with is that I'll put the camera in loosely if I can, just to show you. Cable's going to be in the way. Cable obviously will have to be routed through and into the van, but basically the camera will sit in the little shroud. I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed, but there we are. So anyway, there's the shroud. Come on, camera's in. Up, I can't get it. So let's have a look. So yeah, basically the camera will be in the shroud. It ain't going to work at the moment because everything's the wrong way round and I'm using one hand. Right, so if I can pick that up. So yeah, the camera will be in little shroud. It's only just peeking out. So basically that should give us some protection from being knocked and kicked and whatever stupid people want to do to it. And now then is just going to be cut back open. Can we do it? No, we can. Yes, we can. Sorry people, this is just one-handed. That then is going to give me my template that I can make it out of a little bit of plate. I'll do that, we'll come back. Okay, so there we are. The bracket's in. I've sprayed him black, and at the back of the bracket as well I've put bonding tape, which is glazing tape, double-side glazing tape. Behind I managed to, I don't know if you can see that, I had some, can you see that? I hope so. I had some rubber hammer-on edging, so I edged around as well. He's on with the rubber connectors. I haven't took the plastic screen off yet, but that's good and solid on it. I can't pull that down. It's on 3 fixings, plus it's stuck to the window. There's very little movement in there now at all. I'll put the key on for you to see him. And what that allows is, it's a rear view camera on its own. We've also got the rear view camera and the front facing camera. If you swipe, you can change to a split screen half and half. Swipe again, you got front facing only or rear facing only, and as you just saw, you can actually move on the screen, which I think is pretty good. It records, as you see it's flashing now, loop recording between 1 and 3 minutes. I've got it set for 3 minutes, and it records both cameras at the same time regardless of what you have on the screen. So if somebody does go into the back of you and you only got the front screen on, or vice versa, then it does record on both cameras at the same time onto memory card. There is an impact setting on you that you can set it to low, medium or high, that if you do have a bump, it'll automatically save that recording rather than recording over. So there you are, that's how I done it. Like I said, I didn't have a rear view mirror to actually connect this to start with, but bracket was made. Obviously the headlining is going to go back up, but I got more cables to run yet. So what do you think? Any good? I hope that helps. I didn't show the wiring because it's up to you. If you're competent enough, then carry on. If not, then don't. But basically this is a plug and play. As you saw, I'll take you around the back now and show you where the rear view camera is and the bracket that we made for that. But that's the interior. So if I take you out the back, take you round the back, round the back, round the back, and then I'll show you the rear view camera is there. I've got another reversing camera that I fitted. So that's the housing that we made. Does this job, keeps it protected. So there you are. What do you think, people? Pretty snazzy? Right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.